Good morning, beautiful people. How are we doing? Hope everyone is doing well. I'm probably going to be shorting AQ any minute now. I'm just waiting for a decent closure under 3 450s. We'll go over it in a second, but ultimately, ES is at hourly high. They both created this 4 hour swing, so I'm expecting this 4 hour to sell down. It's sold down, sold up, but now I'm basically just wanting to see this hourly high hold. You've got this divergence with ES on NQ. It's pretty simple, pretty light work in terms of a setup, but we just got to be patient, wait for it to turn. Can't try and catch a top during London. Um, how's everyone? How are you doing? How are y'all doing? Nah, I'm not in it yet. You'll see. You'll see when I'm in it. Good, good, brother. Good, good. Cannot complain. Cannot complain. What's that? When are you pulling up to Greece? I'm actually going to Ios in a month. Actually, literally a month today. So I'll be in Ios on like the I've got a wedding on the 23rd. Yeah. So I'm going to Santorini for an afternoon and then to Ios. Visit Pathos. What do you mean? Morning, Jay. Morning. Oh, nice little push. Nice little push. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I think they just sell it from here. Google Pathos bar Ios. Pathos. Oh, it looks cool. Looks nice. Amazing sunsets. I'll be there. I'll be there, brother. I will be there. Because it was just this 1 minute imbalance from. Sorry, it's just yeah. I didn't want this to invert. I wanted this to hold, basically, like a double failure of this. But I actually really like this one now. It's better and also just aligns from a time perspective. And actually, we get semi-decent R to here. So actually, that makes way more sense to me. Oh, gosh, damn it. What's going on with gold? It's going straight up. Pulling back now. The Bitcoin back at 70, what broke to 78. It's looking bullish, isn't it, boys? The Bitcoin buyers are feeling good right now. Yeah, midnight's down there as well. So actually, we've got this trade going. We got a nice break even point. Nice break even point. TP1, TP2 maybe. I'd probably size for TP1 to be nice. A nice move. Something like this. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. How much do I want to risk? $1,000? Let's keep an eye on ES here as well. Hmm. Think it might go again. One more look above maybe. Is my screen still lagging today, chat? It is. That's so weird. It's so weird. I have no idea why. Over the high. We'll just sell five. Keep it nice round. If we get the 15 seconds. Okay. Didn't want to give us an entry, no. We'll put it on. If it takes out this low before getting us in, we click. I don't take it. How much is this? I think I actually might do that. Sell both. Man, they are fucking wankers, aren't they? Absolute fucking wankers. Gav, can you look into why my screen's lagging, bro? It's definitely not my computer. Did you hear me? I said, could you just look into why my screen is lagging? Sold 26 840s. Yeah. Man, it's so gross, actually. No, it's still trash. I don't know. Man, that's tilting, actually. I can't lie. Like this trade. It's like actually perfect. Just didn't have a wick. Absolutely fucking piss take from them. Check YM three highs. I couldn't give a fuck what YM does, brother, to be honest with you. You'd have never heard me mention YM in your life because I just have zero care in the world about what it does. Asia between 8 and midnight? That's not true. Why does my midnight run from 7 till 2 a.m.? Why would we think that the Asia session is 4 hours long when the New York session is what, 9 till 6, 7 hours long? And London session is 7 hours long. But Asia session is only four. Appreciate your numbers. Annoying on this trade though. Yeah, but I'm not moving it. When I move, it still lags. Well, that was a 30-second and a 1 minute. I think I see Uno set up. He would be short here, right? Well, yeah, he'd be subbed out, actually. That's annoying. That's annoying. I wouldn't have got TP on it either way, but now I have to sit here and argue with myself and be like, would I get back into this if I was in it? I'm gonna take it anyway. We didn't take out this low. We have 5 minutes to trade back down here. If we do, then we're great. If not, then I think we have a really clear bias for the rest of the session. What's my risk on this? 290. Yeah, I mean it's small. It's a late trade, considering we should have already been break even on it. So I think I would just, because if this goes higher now, the likelihood that we just trend all session, it just dramatically increases for me. So for me at that point, it would kind of rule out shorts. And if it plays from here, I'll be like, oh, I should have taken it, should have still would have stayed in it, blah, cope. So I'm just gonna widen this a little bit because I don't want to see some sort of divergence form. And my risk is already low. It's a 7 point stop, so how much was I risking? 270. I've now got to do mental arithmetic in my head. 330. So I can do 670 on this. Oh, yeah, I trailed here because this divergence should hold now. And if it doesn't, then catch me outside. Yep. What do I look at on the high time frame candles? Right now I'm bearish on the basis that this created a 4 hour swing, and now we're trading into an hourly high and a 15-minute high. So for me, naturally, I just want to see some sort of retracement back down towards discount, which was I'm zoomed in a bit too much, which was here. But with this high, it probably just brought it up to here. If they clear out this divergence, I'm not interested in it. I think at that point it's a trendy day. If they don't, um, then I'm kind of interested in this trade specifically. Like it's definitely running into some trouble up here. So do I frame swings without bearish C2 candle closures? Um, yeah, I don't wait for them to close. Yeah. Okay. ES took out that high. I would anticipate that this just only trades upwards now. So I would probably just not touch it. Yeah. Slow one. Slow one, slow one. Um, Yeah, it's gonna be a slow one, to be honest. We got Tesla earnings after the bell today. Remember that. Also, did anyone see that SpaceX AI agreed to buy Cursor for $60 billion? Huh? Huh? This is a fucking ridiculous amount of money, by the way. 60 billion United States dollars. 5 minute minus two is over Asia high. 5 minute minus two. Where from? This one down here. I don't use CFD, CVD, LTL data. I don't know what that. Don't know what that means. I'm afraid. It's still not really going anywhere. We've got different logical liquidity targets to target here as well. I don't hate it. Don't love it. Don't like the fact that I got stopped out before. Like this 5 minute though. If this 5 minute can close up here, I'm gonna sell it. Well, I'm in five now. Yeah. Well, that was the fucking quickest trade of my life, by the way. They watched me sell five and was like, "Yeah, thank you. Take you later." I did sell on the open of the 5 minute candle, so it was silly. But yeah, fuck that. Whatever that was. And I'm sure I probably got slipped into the high. 5515. 55. Yeah, that's okay. It's only a couple of points, but oh, slippage is not a thing on futures. Remember that, kids. Oh, yeah, that was the market telling me behave, get out of the market. Chat, answer this question for me. Sorry. Yeah, Anubis, I would have liked that to be honest. But honestly, at this point, I would anticipate that it just expands now. Like I gave it one more chance. I'm not interested. I wanted to take a full size loss. Well, not a full size loss, but a pretty decent um stab at it before it gave a turn or whatever. Um, does the line in Batman go, not the hero we deserved, but the hero we needed, or the other way around? Not the hero we needed, but the hero we deserved. Because I'm of the opinion that it happens both. Both of those are said. But I was having a heated debate about this last night that someone said, no, the hero, not the hero we need, but the hero we deserved. The other one, sorry, not the hero we deserve, but the hero we need is not the one. And by Batman, I obviously mean needed than deserved. No, I don't think that's true, by the way. I think it's the other one. I think it's the other one. Not the hero we deserve, but the hero we needed. In fact, I'm I can literally picture Jim standing there. Anyway, Market looks like shit. He's the hero Gotham deserves, but not the one it needs right now. Yes, exactly. And then and then it goes on to say, fuck, I can't think. What does it say? I just imagine it's Jim standing up, the hero we deserved. Man, what a great film though. Gotham deserves vengeance. 8 sleep. Last night, Autopilot made adjustments to your sleep. Autopilot made adjustments to reduce your snoring by 64%. Can you believe that? Didn't think I snored, but apparently 64% reduction is quite a lot. Um, well, just fuck them, right? That's what I think. Fuck them. They literally went to the high at the most inconvenient time, and now they're moving with it. Just sucks to suck, I guess. Is there a model that makes you that should take along towards higher targets? Nah, as I don't like as in like say there's a high over here. Not really, because that's just not the way I trade. Unless like unless the market's clearly trending and I use like some sort of standard deviation like this, then maybe I could get in on something like that, target this, stop below here. But again, you would need like this would need to be like a 4 hour low, hourly low, 15-minute swing, enter here, target this, break even like here, here, target this for like a trail, like to trail, and then target this up here. Maybe I don't know. It's gonna roll now. It's rolling. It's rolling, rolling, rolling. How you liking the move away from Discord to stream on YouTube? Yeah, I enjoy it way more. I'm gonna be honest. What the fuck is going on with the market? Glad I didn't get involved in this now. You got that 4 hour high now though. I'm still expecting it to probably trade a bit higher. Market's just so odd. Yeah, I mean it's a bit crazy. Long bias for the win. Yeah, I mean there's a really easy way to say the market's gonna go up, but with no way to get into it, right? Previous day high is clean at this point. Yeah, would be not. That'd be really bullish though, right? Look at the daily. Always up. Yeah, I know, but if you the reality is I don't know a lot of people that got into moves during this, to be honest. I'm gonna just keep that a buck. Um, that takes me out my 1 minute continuation, blows past my TP. Yeah, it's a little bit rough that. It's frustrating. So we got Asia high, we got that 4 hour high, we got a new hourly high. Yeah. Yeah. It's not looking too hot for shorts. It's looking hot for longs, but I can't be the person that just shorts this longs this up here. How was everyone's training day yesterday anyway? Winners, losers, up, down, red, green, blue, neutral, yellow. How was it? I think a lot of people had a rough morning and then it kind of picked up. You can get in the everyone kind of got in the rhythm of things, didn't they? Green. So we love red to green, good risk management. Yeah. I think everyone just struggled with the first half of the session and then it kind of everyone kind of got into the groove of it. That was kind of what I saw from a lot of people. Let's say one last one tick to my break even point. Oh, great. Managed to request my second payout in 2 days with a daily account from Traderfly. That's the guy. Let's go. The fuck is this volume? It's probably lack of actually. That's the problem. Will you do the meet up when it comes to London? Yes, brother. I will 100% be doing that. Yep, I'll be there. I'm still long. I'm still in long till New York AM high. Yeah, I don't hate that actually. How much would you say is a countable amount in pounds to have in a personal account to live for to get a decent withdrawal as well as money in the account to grow your balance? Um, I think if you have 20K in an account, you can trade. 10K you can trade. The reality is it's like a micro or two, right? To do it well, to do it like sustainably. But it also just depends. Like I'm only looking at it from a perspective of like you need money, you want to save money to deposit to a futures account. Um, I would say that like 20K minimum. Because if you put 10K in and you go into a bit of drawdown, say 2K, you probably start sweating a bit. Um, so yeah, that's kind of what I would say. My honest opinion on it is if you don't have more than 50K to put into a live account, prop makes way more sense from an ROI perspective. You just have to treat it like your live account and start to build good habits. Like, actually, it just makes way more sense. You spend 200 bucks, 300 bucks, 500 bucks, even in some cases, to get the ability to take consistent payouts. Like, yeah. Yeah, I've taken two losses so far for like 700 bucks. One was actually instant. We got into a trade and it instantly went to stop loss, like in a tick. How does your personal account differ in regards to how many cons you can use and being able to execute versus prop? Well, on a 10K live account or a 20K live account, typically you get like one contract for every 1,000 bucks you've got in the account. Oh, yeah, so you get like 1,000 bucks. Where like in a live account, um, like my fund of futures, you could get like a 7.5K live account, for example. But if you got that 7.5K live account from a 150K account, they'll still allow you to trade 15 minis. So there are some advantages because they can cover the margin requirements to allow you to trade. Um, but then also there are firms the opposite, right? You get a 10K live account, but you can only trade 4 minis. So like there are pros and cons to it. When would you deem it a good time to start putting size back on and take more trades? Would it be when you start pulling back into higher time frame range, or just when you start to see your edge play out more? Yeah, it's just an edge play out more at this point. Like the market is like when the market clicks for me, it's really obvious. Like everything I touch turns to gold, and get that feeling very quickly. Um, this is more. It's more actually not so much like oh I want to wait to like ramp up. It's actually more of the fact that like I don't want to trade like only uptrending markets. So when the market starts to rotate, like it did yesterday to some degree, I would like to see like a rotation higher and then again lower. Um, if those things start to happen, then I'll just size back up. If we get a couple of like a good week of rotational plays, the next week I'll assume the market's going to be good. And if, that means the market goes straight to being up only and I take a bad week, I take a bad week. That's just how I notch it down because I can't be afraid of it. I can't be scared of losing the money because scared of money don't make money. And that sounds so cliche and cringe, but it's just really, really true. What am I looking at right now? Honestly, there's a sell here off of that Asia high, but yeah, I personally won't be taking it. I already took two losses, so I'm just kind of chilling. Do you know, do you know how to make visible place orders in trade C? Not history, but live. I see it as open in table, but can't see it in chart. I don't, I'm afraid. I don't know enough about trade C, my man. Like, I actually just haven't used it anywhere near enough. Slippage is nasty. Really. Again, I've not actually used it, so I just can't tell you that. Good morning, Mink. Yeah, I'm alright, bro. Do you got risk after two losses? Not massive. Like, not right now. There's no really, there's no real risk to cut. Uh, but typically, what I will do is if I take like two losses in a session, the next day when I come in, I'll like flat bet something. So like I'll mark up my trade and put like three minis on, or like four. What's the best thing trading has allowed you to do as someone who's reached a high level? Um, I think for me, the money that trading has like bought me is great, and obviously it's allowed me to do like crazy things and improve my life and do whatever. But like I can just help out anyone ever, whenever, you know. My grandma needed a new car. I just bought her a new car. I bought both my parents' cars. I paid off all my siblings' debt. Like, you know, just like I would never ever be able to do any of that 10 years ago. Would never dream of it, you know. Is the fuel in the UK that expensive? Um, it's definitely gone up, but I don't know how expensive is a relative thing, right? But it's definitely more expensive than it was 5 years ago. Like way more. It's ridiculous actually. But yeah, I don't know. I have privilege that probably means that I don't feel it anywhere near as much. I don't want to sit here and profess that I don't, you know, or don't even acknowledge that. Yeah, that is just gonna be really honest. That is just the truth. I very rarely look at the fuel price because if I do, like, what's it gonna do for me? What's my take on GC? It looked really bullish earlier, but we can look at it because there's absolutely nothing to look at right now. Um, oh, we took out that four. I took out that high. I took out the high and rotated lower. Got nice change of state reaction. Looks pretty fucking bearish now. Now close the swing. Now I just want a 15-minute take and look for shorts. That's good. Don't know if I short this from the phone. What NQ? I mean, I'm not interested in it. I think it likely just trends higher for the session. And yeah, it's free falling now. 2-6. Got a break even because it looked bad for long. It's a better decision. My stop loss was a 5 minute low on the 5 minute gap. Oh, here. You're long off that. I mean, look, it just like the rotation's instant, isn't it? Could have shorted this off this 1 minute after that 4 hour high, but I don't know. It's not ready for me, to be honest. To be honest. Hey Justin, you know what we should do, boys and girls? We should play a game of League of Legends. That's what we should do. Of TFT. Who's with me? I'm kidding. Well, semi. Do I trade EU sometimes? As in the asset, like Euro USD? Very, very rarely. Selena and Nick are playing League right now. Shut up. Are they actually? They're not playing League. He's downloading it. Does Celine play League? Celine does. That's crazy work. Didn't have her down as a League player. On mobile. As in they play TFT on the mobile. Because you can't play League on the mobile, can you? Gotta love this PA on GC today. It looked clean though, right? I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, it's called Wild Rift. Oh, that one. Fuck that. That wasn't even League, is it? The Rift game. The Rift game. Here you go. My mouse is gonna change. You're gonna see. Oh, I got my previous season reward. What was it? Do I play games? I do play games, yeah. Because like you have to understand that like doing nothing on this game sometimes on this game. Yeah, doing nothing on this game of trading is actually the best thing sometimes. And sometimes it's just the way it is, right? I got my Victorious Raptor TFT skin. Downloaded it again yesterday after a year. What's my rank? My rank on what? On TFT right now. Or on League. I'm really bad at League, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually really bad. Yeah, really, I'm really bad. Like I think I peaked like gold one, maybe plat whatever it was. Sila. I never went past gold. Oh yeah, I'm bad. Like, and then you have my friend Max that's like just chilling in Challenger 24/7. Yeah, you'd rather win your lose your solo queue game than than lose your trade, right? I'm good. I'm good. Can you see my mouse? My mouse is now the League of Legends mouse. I'm watching the chart still. I got it super minimized, but we'll see. We'll hang around here for the next for the duration of this game, and hopefully the market gives us something. Quick game of ARAM. Honestly, bro, I suck. Maybe we should incorporate some sort of some quick games in the streams. Just chill for the next 2 hours here. Yeah, is that, what right here, Ben? Like, is in the chart, like A39. I mean, drawing out all of my lucid psychology went down. I'm risking only 3 micro. Should I increase the risk or continue the same lot size? I don't know how much drawdown you're in, what size your accounts, how much left of drawdown is there. Um, Yeah, like there's no like easy answer to that, you know? Like straight up, there's just no easy answer to any of that. 50K, 100, you've still got some left. Personally, what I would do is I would look to take like as many trades of risking 200 bucks as possible. I'll go short now on MGC on the 50-minute CSD, 4-hour SMT at the highs, and we have unmitigated 4-hour gap, and I should let's go. I like the idea of that trade, to be honest. Um, I think that sounds pretty good. Okay, if you weren't trading ICT, okay, can I just level with everybody because like this actually quite infuriating. I've traded the same way. I just trade lower time frames, and after someone putting names to certain things, you know, like inversions, like 100% lower time frame, that is like an ICT concept, right? Like I like the way I was able to freight like use that as an entry mechanism lower time frame, but a higher time frame, all I've ever really traded is support and resistance and swings for old lows and old highs, like, and I've just traded back to the ranges, right? So like I understand what you're saying, but like at the same time, bro, I was making money when I didn't even know ICT existed, was a human being, you know. When community league games, maybe we'll do some ARAMs like in the future. It's so sad, boys. Like we've actually since 3 a.m. we deviated lower a little bit. We've gone higher, and the real trade is up there. Um, and I didn't take it. Did anyone else? Did anyone take short off the high? Did anyone else? If you incorporate a book map, nah, no, because you wait for divergence always. Well, it's there. There is divergence there. Oh, you said you took it. Sorry, that message came through after. Good shit. Like I would always anticipate Varus Ari. I think it might be a Graves game, boys. As in TFT. We need to fast nine if we were going to play Graves. I'm in a TFT game right now, yeah. Strong early game, yeah. I need we'll play this. Primordials right now. We'll keep going just in case we get actually we can sell Aatrox by Timo. Strong multitasking. Basically what I do is I have my league in the bottom left hand corner of my screen down here. Right? And then I normally just do this. So I put this here, and then my league takes up the bottom left of the bottom left chart, my TFD, and I'm able to look at everything, and I've got a tiny little screen here that I can still see chat. So yeah, we got Nar and Pantheon. It's definitely, um, it's definitely a Graves game. We got the Rex side. We just need to level now. I'm not playing League. I'm playing TFT. Sorry. I know that's probably really confusing for a lot of you. Aura farming. Oh, it's actually just a Graves game. Who do we get? Sona. Fuck. Of all of the fucking five costs, it's the one we didn't need. No. Um, level up, put Rek'Sai in. Put that on you. Put that on you. Oh, it's a trait. You get aura farming. So basically it's called you gain a 2-star 5 cost champion holding a recommended item. You can't field it until 4-3. So it just sits just off your bench. Okay, so like we have 4 hour high, we have an hourly high, we have a 15-minute high. It's selling, well, I don't have a 15-minute high, but it's selling through that low. It's hit the logical liquidity target. So like for me, it's like how does this area hold up? Because that's like an area that you could still short from if it happens. Did that just push up? No. It's taking out that hourly low on ES. Sold all the way through, selling now. It's a tough one, isn't it? It's a tough one. It's a toughie. Gold short's running. Yeah. The sad news is I just don't really touch gold. So look at the 15-minute CSD on gold. So look. Oh, it's so clean actually. Off the high. Off. Oh, you wanted this one instead of this one. Yeah. That's annoying, my man. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's frustrating actually, just in general. This 1 minute was just so big that I would never take it, so it just kind of keeps this out. And to be honest, I would just never have taken it after my 2 losses anyway, even if it was small. Yeah, but I just honestly, bro, the two losses kind of keeps me out. Like I'm just hanging around to get a read on the market for later, to be honest. That's all I really look at. Actually, I need to tell the garage to top the oil off on my car. Would you say it's 5 minute break even if it closes under 410 or no, since it's taken the low already? I'm just not really a breaker guy. I'm gonna be honest. I like high, I like taking tight risk trades, and taking more reversals than taking like breaker continuations. And that doesn't make a lot of sense to a lot of people, but it's just the way I roll. It's actually just trading lower now, which is just sad. Very sad. Shorts printing, meanwhile, going into hard graders. I love that, boys. I love it. Oh, we got the Z, we got the Vex, the Z, the Invader Z. Yo, hey Kane, do you personally deal with intraday trend and drawdown? Does your approach terms TP and stop loss management change? Yeah, I typically am just I size a lot more conservative and I go for smaller targets. Yeah. Man, we're not going to get any sort of pullback here to get short, are we? It's just going to keep f falling. 5 minutes CST was the play. Break here, retest, and trade lower. Yeah, it's pretty nice to be honest. All things considered. But I always find that those just make sense in reverse. That's the sad part about them. At least that's what I find. It's only usually active like this, if not. I mean, when you get a reversal on the day, then yeah, it can move like this. Yeah, that's at least the way I find. Is it going to completely thought you would try one more shot at yeah, 860? Yeah, I mean it was nice, right? Up there. But like I don't want to I don't want to keep fighting something that I think that might go up. And at 9 o'clock I'm like, well, I've already had two losers. I'd rather keep my losing very small to actually just trade New York right now. London's clean. It was clean, but it wasn't clean in the moment. Otherwise, it would have, we'd have all got into it. YM's the weakest right now. Yeah, I just never look at YM. I just think it's just. I'm just gonna be honest. I just think it's a pile of shit. Would you like more owning or renting? It depends what, right? Like I wouldn't want to lease cars or anything like that. House-wise, I think renting makes more sense for someone like me. Like I don't have a cash flow problem, so I'm not like super. You need a RAM that's in the car. I like that. I fuck with that. But honestly, um, look, my G wagon is fucking massive. Like actually, I think a lot of people really underestimate the size of it. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people would. Man, it's really just the price is really just melting. Sad fucking times. 50 points lower now. Dang, easy short. Yeah, that one. It's easy when it's like that. That's for a fact. Oh, any trades this morning? Yeah, I took a loss trying to short, bro, and then the market decided it wanted to die just without me. Man, we got a lot of fucking way to go. If we can pull back up into here, like this previous hourly low, I think it's like there's a short on the table. I'll wait around for it, but it's not looking too hot right now. Oh, short NQ long oil. Right now, like at this very second, I should do that. As usual, market's going to take out everyone long before going back up. Slightly go back up, at least a daily open, if not lower. But I'm bullish for the remainder of the day. That makes sense, to be honest. Yeah. I don't think it'll be easy, though. You know, Maximilian, you okay? Oh, and Rix, to your answer of when's the Porsche rolling in, I think I'm siding more on the McLaren, to be honest. To upset everyone, I'm sure, but that's where my head's at with it. Um, I just think they're nicer. I heard McLaren doesn't have Apple CarPlay. I heard that I don't care about Apple CarPlay. At least not that much. It's not enough to put me off of it, you know? The music will be the sound of the car. Oh. 20 minutes to wrap up because I have to go to the garage and pick up the G-Wagon actually. The brakes have just been done on it, so we're not, we're not getting any sort of pullback here, are we? I think it's just gonna keep going. Gold looked great. Everything just rotated, which makes me think that it was just a dollar move. There might be a Leo trade right here. If it respects this and trades back through here, get a closure. Could be a Leo trade. Ideally, I would like a deeper pullback. We'll see. We'll see. What's everyone up to today? Anything exciting? You excited for the ninja stream? Why? Excuse my French. I didn't see the message. If you did say something. Cool. Like, actually, I would like to short this 4-hour logical liquidity target, which is also the 15-minute high. I would like that very much. Back. Welcome back. Wait, we're giving away some Tradeify accounts on Propfirm Compare right now, right, Max? Okay. 1,000K accounts. My dogs are running around. 2 secs. Please, 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 please. Hello. Hello. You want to say hello? Oh, come here then. Oh, you having a good day? Thank you. Don't need the kisses. Oh, you're such a good boy. Is my dog profitable? Yeah, he is. He's the world's best trader. He's better than me. His name's Zeus, isn't it? Isn't it? And he's like a little baby. He would just sit here all day. What's that? What's that noise? What is it? What is it? Go on him. Down you go. Oh, Zeus signals. You know what I'm saying? He's a real one. Think there has to be two? What do you mean? There is two of them. The girl just can't go up the stairs, and I wasn't going down to get her. I agree with that comment. 100K straight to funded accounts, treat them like a personal account, and you'll struggle to blow them. You don't struggle, but you would very if you're consistent with it and actually treat it well, you've got a higher chance of holding on to it. Yeah. How to, bro, just tune into the stream. When it's there, I'm trading it. And don't forget to use code lab. Oh, man, the homies are out in full force today. What's the best firm that also has crypto? I mean, EA actually have a crypto account, but I don't know how good it is. That's the truth. I haven't tried it. Um, I think they're the like obviously Tradeify have their own crypto accounts as well. I don't know if there's an account that has futures and crypto because like typically crypto is CFDs. So yeah. Honestly, Mazzo, if you want like crypto only, or you want a firm that does futures and crypto, then Tradeify. If you want crypto only, there's obviously tons, but like I think the best one to break out. Again, not a plug. Don't actually work with them in any capacity, but yeah, it's just hard. And the reason it's hard, Maz, is because they're just set up differently. Like crypto is CFDs and futures is futures accounts, right? So having a blend of that is hard. So typically people separate them. Oh, do me a favor and add Propfirm. Okay, so the problem is our business is actually Propfirm without a space. But yeah, we should probably change it at some point. Not really. I think divergence in some capacity is always better. Okay, we took out that 15-minute high. If we break down from here, I could be convinced to just short this. 15-minute high. You got change in state. You got some divergence here. And I mean if it closes below here, I will look to take a short back down to the low with break even at the logical liquidity target. If they invalidate these though, then I'd probably not be that keen for it. Good morning. What is the indicator used for high time frame candles? It's just called TLM HTF from Wayne's Lunch. Yeah. Do we think we might be calling it here, boys? 'Cause it doesn't look like it's gonna happen, and then we get a new hour, and I want to see that 15-minute swing. I think it's just a um come back at New York angle. Yeah, I think that's the play. All right, boys and girls. Much love. Pretty boring session all around. It kind of happened. The move happened without us. We sat around, tried to frame it. Nothing really came to light. I'll be back later. That's it. GG's. It's the way the cookie crumbles some days. Um, I appreciate everyone here. Please like and subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. And I will see you all very, very soon. Much love.